Lights are working, everything's on. Everything's working right. Wind coming straight out of the north. All right, let's get it up there. That's a stole. It's off. Cut her back some. We're at 60%. I'm going to do a low flyby. All right. I can see that light too. That is awesome. Let's give it some juice. There she goes. Now she's flying like a Cessna. Look at that. Perfect. She's dialed in. One more roll. Whoa. She's dialed in, man. This is awesome. It's good when it's dialed in. Let's bring it down. Cut it back to 60. Get a nice slow drive-by. Fly-by. I wonder if my red and green light doesn't seem to be working. The flash and taxi lights are working. Let me see here. Oh, the green light's on, yeah. Let's see if the red one's on. I didn't see the red one on. I see the white flasher. All right, let's see if that red one's on. I don't think so. Nope, it's not. Okay, let's go flying high. Whoa, let's give it back some. Cut her back to 50%. I wonder why that red light's not working. Green one's working good. The front and backs are working good. Yeah, that back tail light's working great. I get a lot of orientation with that. Let's do a touch and go. Touch and go, baby. Okay, we're gonna have to bring it around. I'm gonna have to set her down here. Yeah, we're down to 1 minute. We'll see where the battery's at. We'll bring her around.
95.
Nice. We're on the hill. We'll bring it this way anyway. All right.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.